Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix this app is currently not available in your country or region. So in the case that you want to go ahead and fix this issue that you are not able to download a specific application on your device due to region and country restrictions, what we can actually do to fix this issue is to go ahead and launch the settings application of our device, tap on our names over here, and I want you to go ahead and tap on your media and purchases and tap on view account. Now from here, what I want you guys to go ahead and do is to go ahead and proceed with launching your account settings, and specifically I want you to tap on your country or region settings right here. Now redirect it to this section, and what I want you guys to do is to proceed with just changing or choosing a specific region where the application is available. Now whether that may be United States, most likely it's going to be available on the United States, so you could also go ahead and choose that, and ultimately that'll also solve your issue. Now all we need to do from here is to save that setting and tapping on agree right here and tapping on next. You also need to go ahead and confirm the payment method, so you need to go ahead and enter the preferred payment method right here, also entering the details and the other necessary details as well, and then tapping on next, confirming the details until you are now being able to changing the region of your device so that you could download other applications not available on your country or region. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching and take care.